guys, this is Amanda. Welcome to Hmong America. I am driving alone, doing one of my appointments for a mobile notary. Sorry, I got my Christmas song setting up really loud. I just feel like it's very pleasant and very comfortable working on a weekend. Just driving alone and viewing the beautiful view. It's just so nice and beautiful for the snow. And I'll be taking more pictures of snows in Minnesota, and it's just so peace and quiet on Saturday. So what are you guys doing today? I hope you guys enjoy, and I just hope that you guys will like our channel, my husband, our channel. And don't forget to click the notification bell and smash that thumb up. So I just want you to take to my journey today on a Saturday, December 17th, and I'm heading to Zimmerman, Minnesota. And I know it's kind of a little awkward and dizzy, but oh well. I'm driving and trying to take video camera at the same time, so I'm just going to show you all the nice view, and so that way you guys can see what's going on, what we have here on a Saturday morning. Like I said, it's just so beautiful, so gorgeous, with all these white snow covering right before Christmas. So I hope you guys can hear me okay, because I know I kind of blast the song a little bit loud in my car, so I apologize if you can't hear me. So, lately this week, I've been just thinking a lot, just trying to survive every day and do what I need to do. Like I said, last Friday, I lost my job, and I still had this part-time mobile notary, part-time sometime, this mobile loan signing, mobile notary, whatever they call it, loan signing agent. It used to be very busy. That was like 2 years ago when interest rate was really low and people was refinancing left and right, top to bottom. And now it's not like that anymore. So
in half a mile, continue straight to stay on US 10 West, US 169 North.
Apologize, she's like talking over, my navigator's talking right over me. So, but either ways, I was just thinking, like, probably just gonna keep hustle and find something else that when I need to do it. I'm not really a 9 to 5
Continue
person.
straight to stay on US 10 West, US 169 North.
Sorry about that, guys, for the GPS lady talking right over me. Like I said, I'm not really a 9 to 5 person. I mean, I'm glad that I'm no longer working at this title company that I used to work. I mean, I didn't mention much about on our YouTube, so I mean, not a lot of you guys know what my husband and I, we do for a living and what we do every day. And usually we like to travel, so in the past you see some of our traveling videos going to Mount Zion, Moab. Well, Moab videos coming soon. That was like 2 years ago, and we're just kind of like so busy, not able to upload all of our videos. And of course it's a lot of editing and just so much information, not information, but just so much work. But that's something that I do want to grow, our YouTube channel, and we just haven't been doing anything lately. And like I said, oh, here we go, I lost my job. I mean, last Friday they let go of me because due to people are not buying homes, and it's usually December till like March, it does get a little slow. So I mean, I don't blame anyone. I guess I kind of blame myself, because sometimes I do feel like I wish I have a good job, something to provide and to take care of my family, or have something back up that lucrative. I mean, right now we don't even have any backup plans. Our backup plan is just probably doing what we need to do on a mobile notary and do a little bit of Amazon Flex. That's what my husband and I, we signed up because we're both on 9 to 5. I know that's not good. And just, I guess, trying to accomplish our YouTube channels. Our YouTube channel with Hmong America, we try to, like I said earlier, just try to show what we do on our traveling, and we're probably just going to focus more on that too. So you'll be seeing a lot more of our videos and what we do, what we travel in the snow, I guess in the winter, rain, spring, summer. I mean, that's our main goal, and probably do a little bit of side hustle with Amazon Flex, or side gigs like they call, and trying to, whatever the loan signing they have for the mobile notary, we'll just try to pick up as many appointments as we can just to survive. And I know that my husband and I, we just bought our house last year, and I really don't want to let go of our house. And it's very important because we worked so hard 2 years ago when the market was really good, the real estate market. But now it's not so good due to interest rates and inflations from the Fed. And I know sometimes I don't want to get into politics or into any of these socioeconomic stuff, but I mean, I gotta do what I gotta do. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy what I'm doing right now, just showing that I'm going to my appointment at 9 o'clock in Zimmerman.
Use the right lane to take the US 169 ramp to Princeton.
So I'm gonna have to change lane quickly. So right behind these turtles, I hate passing, but oh well. So like I said, I hope you guys enjoy the view and enjoy my talk with you all, and I just want to say thank you. I appreciate.
Use the right lane to take the US 169 ramp, then keep right at the fork.
I know she's talking a lot. Sometimes I don't even want her to talk, and she'll be talking, and there are times where I want her to talk to tell me where to go, and
keep right at the fork.
See, look at here. So anyways, gosh, I just forgot what I was gonna say. Oh, okay. I just want to say thank you.
Continue on US 169 for 13 miles.
Yeah, I'm working and traveling, and I know like this, people are like, what are you doing? You're talking and you're driving and you're recording. You're supposed to be like paying attention on the road. I know. I mean, the road is not that bad. Unless you're a crazy driver and you could care less. Yes, it'll be that bad, but you're just, driving gently, slowly, be cautious. Don't overspeed, and it's a little slippery, but if you control your wheel really well, you're not going to slide into the snowbank or into the ditch. So, like I said earlier, I just lost my thought now. I'm trying to remember what oh, okay, now I remember. So I want to say thank you for those that are following us on our YouTube channel and also watching our journey. I mean, like I said, we don't have much going on our YouTube channel, but soon you guys will probably see us a lot often, because we're both, I don't want to say not working, but which we are still working with some of these small side gig or side hustle job. And I just want to say I appreciate for those that are following us and follow our travel, and like I said, just click that notification bell, press that like button, subscribe, and again, if you guys have some other ideas where we should travel or where to go or what we need to talk, I'm definitely will talk. And I'm not pretty good in talking because it's just so hard for me to find ideas to talk. And there are times where when I'm not on video and there's no pressure, I feel like I can just talk normal. But like I said, this past few weeks I was very stressful because I lost that 9-to-5 job working as a title closer, and I don't even know what my plan and my thought was going to be. And I was thinking, like, what should I do? How am I going to survive and live and everything like that? It was just frustrating. But I know some people's like, oh, here she comes, she's gonna come with this religion. But I'm a Christian and I have faith in God, and I trust in God, and I know that what's best for him. Like for example, last week I had issues with my other phone, and I was doing the Amazon flags. It was horrible. I mean, so honestly, my camera just didn't work on me, and I was in the middle of trying to finish. Like, I have one more hour for this route. It was like, I think it was like a 4-hour or a 5-hour that they paid like $100 or $120 for 4 or 5 hours, and I was just so frustrating. I'm just like, great, paying. You just screw yourself now, because Amazon flags, they're pretty tough, and I mean they're picky because you're independent contractors. Usually, even though people say you're independent contractors, you are your own boss. That's a BS right there. Same thing with as a loan signing agent. Even though they say that, oh, you're independent contractor, you're your own boss. If you don't do exactly what you want, sometimes these title companies or whatever they call escrow officers, sometimes they put you down like in a blacklist, and they don't even give you any assignments. So that's the hardest part right there. And I just feel like that day it was just weird because my camera didn't work, and I'm like, okay, I'm probably gonna get a ding. Well, I'm not sure yet, so I have to check my record next week for the last week, and I just end up, my camera just decided to say that it can't take any pictures due to security privacy issues. I know with all these Android phones that you just keep updating or installing updating stuff, and it just keep missing. And I realized I was thinking so hard. I'm like, okay, what am I going to do? How am I going to get this camera phone working? Because, every time when you drop a package, you're supposed to take a picture. Like if you put it in front of someone else's door, you're supposed to take a picture just to protect yourself and prove that it's there. So I think for the last, I would say 10 or 20 boxes, I couldn't take any pictures. So I'm like, great, they're probably going to ding me or penalize me. So I'm like, oh, great God, I don't know what I'm going to do. But like I said, it's like another obstacles and challenge every day for me. I just feel like this whole week, everything just collapsed and crashed for me. And I was just frustrating. Like I said, I had no one to talk to. I mean, I have friends, but they're not like really, really close, special friends. And guys, I feel like I'm just gonna cry. I mean, I don't have like a really close best friend that would be there with me. And you know what? My only best friend is God. I mean, I was so frustrating. I say God. I mean, I lost my job, and we are mobile notary loan signing business. It's not busy like it used to be, and I just got this Amazon flags, and now I already messed up. And so far this week I was late with some of my boxes, and now my phone camera doesn't work due to some glitch or bug on my cell phone. And then I still have my Samsung 10, so I was thinking, like, you know what, I'm gonna download the Amazon flags so that way I can use my Samsung 10. I mean, it's not old. I mean, I think it's like a 3-year-old Samsung 10 Galaxy, so I still have that. And the other day I was just thinking that, well, great. I mean, I think it's a miracle because, I mean, I lost my job. I still have a backup side gig with mobile notary and also with Amazon flags. And also, it's a miracle that I still kept my Samsung Galaxy 10 phone. And my husband keep bugging me, telling me that that maybe I should trade it off or sell it. And I didn't want to sell. The past 3 years, I didn't feel like I want to sell my Galaxy 10. I just feel like I want to keep it. And I still have my iPhone 8 at home too, so I don't know. Maybe I'm those people who like to collect stuff and hard to give it away. I don't know. But right now, I downloaded to my Galaxy 10, so my phone camera doesn't have any issues. Except I still need to find times and ways to figure out and fix my Samsung 20 SE or FE. I don't know. There's just so many addition upgraded to it, so I have no clue. But anyways, I just feel sad, depressed. Well, not to the point where I have mental issues, so don't get me that wrong. I mean, I've been talking to God lately, and He's been comforting me, and I just feel like, yes, I do see miracles coming along. I mean, if there was no miracles and I lost my job last Friday with this title company that I was working for a whole year, if I didn't have my 2 side gigs, and I did try for Instacart too, so I did sign that up, and I was, really sad. I mean, but I was thinking like, well, at least God gave me backups again with the mobile notary, Instacart, and also Amazon Flex. Even though those are difficult, I did sign up for more gigs because, like I said, to be honest, I'm not really a 9 to 5 person, and I just don't like working in a cubicle, which I gave up my loan signing last year just to work with this title company. And that's, I knew I was gonna get laid off too, because I had a dream. I was saying, I know people, you guys are probably gonna think that I'm crazy, like, oh my gosh, she's freaky. I think way back like in August of this year, I had a dream about my boss, my ex-boss with the company that I was working that I got laid off as a title closer. In August I had a dream, and my boss was talking to her boss saying that, hey, we need to keep Amanda, that's my legal name, but my Hmong name is Payne. And they were like, well, she was like, well, we need to, keep Amanda, because, they were going to use me as to promote and also get into the Hmong, community, to the industry for closing. But, in the Hmong community, they already have like a Hmong closer. She's independent contractor too. So right now she's more dominant, which, she's a friend of mine. Not a very, very best friend, but she's a friend of mine too. So, which I could care less. And I know that it wasn't easy. So, my dream was, back to my dream. Sorry, I'm keeping going like sidetrack or off track. But anyways, I had that dream, and my boss was telling her boss saying that, hey, keep Amanda. Don't let Amanda go yet. Give her a chance. And, see how things are going, because we can't let her go. She just started like last year. She didn't say that, but she just said to her boss saying that, just give Amanda a chance and see how things will take, and just give her a chance. Don't let her go yet. And then when I woke up, like, I feel like it was just like an instant, but maybe it could be like 2-3 hours later. But when I woke up, I'm like, whoa, that is so strange. And I feel like that does not sound good at all. I mean, I think, because I forgot the other term. Instead of being premonition, I forgot the other term about dreams. Because premonition is like, you see that vision, but I forgot the dream. There's another vocabulary word for dream that, it shows you kind of like in the future. But I'm not saying that I'm a psychic or anything like that, because, I'm a Christian. I just want to say that, God kind of gave me like a hint, so which is a good sign. And I was kind of worried, but I said, God, whatever happens, it happens. There's no control. But thank you for giving me a dream that I can see and see what happened. I don't know if it's going to happen today, tomorrow, next year, next week, next month. Boom. I think right off on Labor Day, before Labor Day, probably like 2 days, that they laid off like 9 people. I was that close. I'm telling you guys, I was that close. And I was just like, oh my gosh, I don't know, but I feel like it's not there yet. And boom, last month they let go of me. Not last month, last Friday they laid off or let go of me, which, like I said, I don't know. I mean, I feel like I have a conscience on a spiritual side where God gave me something that I can sense. I mean, some people are talented and gifted and they have that, vision, that thinking. And like I said, this whole week I was really sad, and I'm still sad, and I'm still, feeling down. But it'll take a while for me to get right back up. And like I said, you'll probably see me talking more, a lot on our YouTube channel at Hmong America, and you'll probably see our vacation. I mean, we'll try to vacate, maybe not long distance vacation, but if I can get your support, and that would be great. Viewing this video, talking with me, watching with me, travel with me, that would be great. And I just want to say thank you so much. I mean, I know it sounds very embarrassing because I'm a very shy person. That's why I'm not on the camera. When I'm driving, you don't see me right now. You're just seeing the road. I mean, so that way you guys won't be bored seeing my ugly face. I know, it's another story. I used to have very low self-esteem. I mean, it was very deep emotional. I mean, see, right now I feel like I don't want to go to that route, because if I do, you guys will be seeing me crying, bawling, and tearing. And yeah, I used to have very low self-esteem. I mean, like I said, next time I'll talk to you guys, share my low self-esteem, and you'll see me crying again. You'll really see me crying, blowing my nose like a trumpet, and that'll be like another time. So I just want to say thank you. I mean, I'm gonna get going, busy. I only have 7 minutes to get to my destination, to Zimmerman, for my one appointment for the loan closing as a mobile notary. And like I said, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe our channel, Hmong America, and click the notification bell. And I just want to say Merry Christmas, whatever you guys are, whatever you do in life. Don't give up. Have hope, faith in Christ. I know some of you are, Christian and non-Christian. It doesn't really matter. You still need to have hope, and just don't give up, okay? And I'll catch you guys around. And I know you're probably just watching me driving, seeing all these views, and you don't see my face because, like I said, you probably get bored seeing my ugly face. But I'll show my face next time close up. Like I said, I'm very shy in camera.
Turn left onto 273rd Avenue Northwest.
I'm a camera shy, so I keep thinking to myself that I don't look good, I don't look pretty, my face and my head is too big, and I'm fat. But I'll do my best not to have that low self-esteem, and be better, be good about me, and just not feeling depressed or sad. So I mean, you guys cheer me up. I don't know who you are. At least you guys are watching me, viewing, and I appreciate, and thank you for watching.
Turn right onto
Here she goes again.
Street Northwest.
So I just want to say thank you for watching Hmong America, and I'll let you guys view this last video right here. Look how gorgeous it is. White snow on the road, and I'm driving my my Acura MDX. I don't know, I'm bad in cars, but my SUV, and oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous, guys. You guys should come to Minnesota during the winter time. And I know some of you are so lucky, and other places that are nicer and warmer than this. So this is so gorgeous, and thank you so much. Enjoy, guys.